What an amazing week it has been. We started off strong with some really good ready to fly, budget friendly airplanes. Everything on the channel this week has all been airplanes under $100. Starting off with ready to fly trainers, we tried a little 3D flyer. Gosh, yesterday was amazing. I loved that, but it was pushing the limits right at $100 bucks. $1,800 milliamps, and I'm cruising right now at about 45, 50% throttle, nowhere over 50. Whew. Yeah, when I hit that bank, it wants to fall down. Let's do a loop. Just gave it a little bit of juice, and oh man, I love the shape of the tail on this. This guy, it's not ready to fly. You'll need a battery and a receiver, but it comes with all the electronics already installed. Now, I took my time. Took about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to put together. Again, taking my time, talking with Abby, and then she helped me put the stickers on. Don't they look great?
I did such a good job with those stickers.
It looks really good. It needs some TheRcSaylors stickers, but we're first gonna see.
You didn't give me time to put them on.
We're gonna see how it flies.
Me out the door.
We're losing our daylight. Now, believe it or not, this is very exciting. Okay, look at the wingspan, right? The size. I'm telling you right now, with Volantex being the name, it's a pretty good build quality. I'm not a huge fan of the plastic fuselage, but some guys love that, but it still went together great. No major issues at all. Brushless motor, again, came with everything and no headaches putting it together. The wheels I'm not so excited about. They kind of scoot in and get stuck there a little bit. Tiny little things. What would you guys value this at? 120, 140? That's where I would say. $80. Wow. Yeah, for a little trainer, let's climb. And we'll roll it over and bring it back down. This is nice. So it is a trainer style plane, but check it out. Whoa!
Wow.
Can we do some fun stuff up top with the rudder? Oh yeah, wow, whipped it right over. That rudder has a lot of authority, maybe too much. Wow, did you see that?
I did.
Let's do that again on this pass. $80.
Plug and play.
Plug and play. We'll have a link in the description box below. You slap your favorite receiver in with your favorite transmitter and a battery and you're in the air. For that size wingspan, $80 doesn't exist. I'm expecting it to fall apart as soon as we launch it. We've seen budget planes before that basically do that. This has the most potential of any large airplane under $100 that I've ever seen. At the end of this video, Abby and I are going to tell you what our favorite plane of the week was. We have to pick one. We can agree and we can disagree, but each of us have to pick one, okay? I'm really excited to see how this goes. If at any point in time there are race drone shots during this video, Abby's on the sticks. So she flew everything on the channel this week unless I demolish this on takeoff. So yeah, the battery tray is down here. This is a 4-channel plane. Brushless power, ailerons, elevator, and rudder, and again, it all feels great. Plastic hinges on the foam. That's nice for some of these big name brand things we see. So before we lose our daylight, did you show them we got the FPV set up over there, ready to go.
Yeah.
We're gonna get a full flight in for you, swap the batteries out, put the race train in the air. This ought to be a lot of fun. Let's fly. I'm pretty pumped. I mean, $80, it's like $81. I mean, it looks amazing. Full throttle, give a little, or no, full elevator, give a little throttle here.
Come on, wheels!
Yeah, they are tiny wheels, but come on, there we go, we're up. Okay,
Houston,
not bad.
We have liftoff.
Yeah, now when I first on the ground looked at the elevator, you know, on a maiden flight, I like to visually have a little bit of what I say is up trim in the elevator, and I very much have that, so I'm down trimming it. This is a maiden. I like to show you guys my maiden with all this stuff. Got a little bit of roll in the ailerons, and it's feeling pretty good. It'll fly fast if I want it to. Wow. There's a nice slow pass. Get that trimmed up perfectly so when Abby takes the controls and you guys see those race drone shots, again, knock on wood, she's flying nice and stable. This is a fast little plane. Wow. You want to do a full throttle pass here?
Sure.
Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna crank it. There's full throttle. Wow. Yeah, for a little trainer, let's climb. And we'll roll it over and bring it back down. This is nice. So it is a trainer style plane, but check it out. Whoa!
Wow.
Can we do some fun stuff up top with the rudder? Oh yeah, wow, whipped it right over. That rudder has a lot of authority, maybe too much. Wow, did you see that?
I did.
Let's do that again on this pass. Okay, I'm gonna climb up and then
the side of the sky sucks.
Oh, rudder, that is sweet.
You should do it again.
Yeah, okay, we'll go back over here on this side. Okay, it's like we're climbing the roller coaster. We get up to the tippity top and then we rudder over. That's some good rudder authority. I like that. Wow. Now how slow will she fly? There's 0 throttle. Lift feels good. Not bad, Abby. Oh man, $81 will get you this pretty little tail dragger, which I love. I love that it's not a front steerable wheel for a field like ours here. You know, it kind of gets caught sometimes. This is really, really nice. Wow, I thought I had an obvious win for the week. I'm sorry, I keep doing stuff up here on this side. I do not now.
Try a knife edge.
Okay, all right, let's do it on the next pass. I'm not very good at knife edging, so I have to like enter it in a certain way. So let's try it. We'll go around the loop.
Well, this is a maiden too. Give him a break.
It's a maiden. All right, let's see, can it knife edge? We're knife edging. We are knife edging and falling. So kind of can knife edge. I just fell out of it again. Let's enter it again on this pass. It does have pretty good rudder authority. That's kind of a knife edge, right? I'm climbing, I'm holding it. Yeah, okay, not bad. Not bad, we're gonna go upside down. Can she fly inverted? Oh yeah. So there's a Velcro strap inside ready for your battery. You know where CG is going to be. There is a piece of Velcro you can put on your battery and then strap to the plane, which I did. Oops, sorry. Just trying to keep it inverted around at least one full circle. It flies inverted great. I have to just barely give a tiny bit of elevator for a trainer style plane to hold upside down that well. And I know it because Abby, you put those good looking stickers on there. And so we know which way's inverted. Now let's do an outside loop. Oh, no problem.
Nice.
Nope.
Oh wow.
Oh boy.
You're still inverted.
I did a full inverted loop there. Okay, we probably don't want to fly too much longer because I've been doing a little bit more stunts than I expected on this plane. Wow,
like 345.
This is amazing. I wanted to save the largest plane for last. This week I did that on purpose. I had no idea because I didn't watch any videos on this. That ruins, for me, because we're going to do videos on stuff, it kind of ruins it for me. I don't want to have like a tainted perspective, you know. I don't want anyone to skew my opinion of this because I need to bring an honest opinion of something to you guys. This flies so awesome. Abby, you're gonna love flying this. This is a keeper. I thought, well, it's gonna be big, but it's gonna be clunky and
how many
cheaply made or
loops?
something.
How many loops can you do in a row?
Well, we'll do that before we land, and then I'll pass the controls to you, and we'll get those beautiful race drone shots that everyone's been enjoying. So let's build up a little bit of speed. We'll go out here. I don't need speed. Why do I need speed? Let's
altitude is what you meant to say.
1, before I fall out of it here. 2, there's
where
no
you
wind,
hit the
so.
ground.
3, I should be. Come on, I'm
so
going
far away.
4.
You're getting so
I'm getting far away. And it fell out. There's 5. Level that wing back off. Oh, I think that's it. 5. I was getting too far away.
Good job.
All right, let's land this puppy. 0 throttle.
Wait, do a test pass.
Okay.
Before you break the plane.
There's my test pass.
You're
Let's
a little
go around.
fast, just so you know.
This is crazy. I like this thing. I can't believe it's 80 bucks. Oh man, I hope it stays that when people like watch this video. Sometimes the prices go up after we do a video on stuff. There we go. Oh yeah, 3-point landing. Abby, you're gonna take off and land this plane.
Oh man.
Yep.
Okay. Goodbye, plane.
I feel like we're running from the darkness when we're doing a video like this. Daylight is everything. Abby, amazing job on the racetrack shots.
Thank you. High five.
Flying
High five, guys.
all these planes. Give Abby an amazing thumbs up on this video for all week long flying the planes while I put the race drone in the air. What'd you guys think of that? We got back into it.
Woo, woo, raise the roof, raise the roof.
Yeah, come on, that is a blast. Well, oh, okay. Let's talk about this plane really quick because it was way beyond my expectations for a trainer plane. That's not just a trainer plane, that's fun. It can do some really cool stuff. And let me tell you guys, the best feeling in the world is to take one of your cheapest planes that you own and do some crazy stuff with it because that helps you learn more in the hobby. That's my favorite thing to do. Let's say this was $1,000. You wouldn't want to go out there and do some crazy stuff with it, but it's under $100. So just knock yourself out. Have fun, push yourself, learn. That's awesome. So, what everybody's gonna want to know, favorite airplane of the week from
Do
both
yours
of us.
first.
Do mine first. I really like the black plane from yesterday. I love the idea of a ready-to-fly trainer plane. The black plane from yesterday looks really cool and it flies great, but I think this is the winner. I can't believe it. I cannot believe I'm saying it. The $80 plane that I really had very low expectations for performs amazingly well. That's not a rubber band wing. That's nice. The assembly was great. I had no issues. I will say this probably shouldn't be your first plane. If you're watching and you want to buy a first-time plane, this shouldn't be your first. But if you have at least one and you want to step up your game a little bit, learn some stuff, right? Without breaking the bank, this is the one to do it on. Or if you already know what you're doing and you just like airplanes, buy this. It's fun and it's cheaper than some of the batteries on the market. Abby?
I know, I was looking at you like, don't forget about me.
I know,
I'm right here.
What's your favorite?
My favorite ready to fly was the second ready to fly plane we had on this
That was my favorite ready
week.
to fly.
That was the best ready to fly.
But
and that one.
Yeah.
It was fun. It was a lot of fun, but I do agree it's not for beginners.
Yeah, okay.
It's not for beginners.
But Abby, I thought you were a beginner.
Well,
not anymore.
I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I still am not pushing myself to do a lot of like loops and rolls.
Yeah.
I'm still wanting to try to like get the controls down and like get comfortable with like banking harder, using rudder a little bit more, and not flying in left-hand circles.
I do that all the time. It just becomes second nature, kind of.
Yeah.
You do what feels comfortable, and left-hand circles feel so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have the same favorite, but we also had the same favorite ready to fly. So if you are a beginner, we'd love to encourage you to get in the air. For under $100, there's an airplane that we love. We'll link it at the end of this video that you should totally check out. If you're not a beginner, you're an intermediate or somewhere in between, I think this is a great step up for you. You can get flight stabilization on something like this, but it needs to go on a Spectrum radio. Today we were flying a budget plane, $80 plane, can't believe that, on a budget radio. This is one of the cheapest, best radios I've ever come across. They do still sell them, so we're gonna link it for you, but we recommend if you want some flight stabilization and stuff, go Spectrum, get the smart stuff going, the nice, more expensive receiver. And the batteries are cheap. This is a 3S 1800 milliamp battery, and you can easily fly if you were gliding probably for 12 to 15 minutes. And if you're cooking it, a nice solid 5-minute flight easily. An absolute winner. I love this thing. It's staying in the collection. Abby, this is the plane you need to keep flying to learn. Knock some more rust off. Learn the stunts. We're losing the daylight. I think it's time to go. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!